I'm super excited because today I am finally unboxing my Beats Studio Pro headphones that I've actually been sitting on now for 2 weeks, but I have done such a good job. I'm so proud of myself. I've resisted the urge of opening up this box in order to do this unboxing and first impressions video. So if you are interested in what this product comes with, as well as my first impressions, then stick around. So I am no stranger to the Beats brand. I've actually had a few of their wireless speakers in the past, and I was always very impressed with the sound quality of those speakers. This, however, will be my first time trying their headphones, and this is their over-the-ear headphone set. With this, you can listen to it wirelessly via Bluetooth, or you do have the option to plug in and listen to these headphones wired via the auxiliary jack that comes with the headphones. But other than that, a few reasons why I'm super excited about these headphones is that the battery life can last up to 40 hours, which will give you a long play time before you need to charge these things. And then you also have the immersive spatial audio, which just basically gives you a portable surround sound experience with these headphones. It is supposedly supposed to make it sound like you're surrounded by 64 speakers. So that's going to give you really, really awesome sound. And then finally, you have two modes that you can choose from with these headphones. You have the active noise cancellation setting, where basically if you are trying to focus in on whatever it is you're trying to do, whether that's work or play, listening to music, or taking a phone call. This will help to block the external sound surrounding you in your environment, so that way you can hear what you're doing without distractions. And then if you don't want that setting or mode, you do have the option to switch over to transparency mode, which will let you hear what's going on around you, so that way you can stay aware in your environment. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So the color I chose is the deep brown color, and I am very impressed with the packaging. On the inside, you have a really nice case. It's not hard, but it's not soft either. It's got a nice structure to it. And then on the inside is the headphones themselves, which it was a little difficult taking the headphones out of the case. On the inside of the case, you do have a Type-C charging cable as well as an auxiliary cable, which I love that there's little slots to keep those nice and organized. And then you have a zipper pouch. And here are the headphones themselves. They have snapping hinges, so that way you can collapse them down or expand them out. The cushion on the earpieces is really nice, as well as you do get some cushion along the actual headband itself. And I'm just loving this color. On the right ear, that's where you have your power button. And then on the left ear, that's where you have your multifunction on-ear controls. Now for the real test. Let's see how my music sounds with these headphones. And yes, it was amazing. I really do love the sound quality of these headphones. My music was very clear and very powerful at the same time. All right, so far I am super impressed with these headphones. So my music sounded amazing. And also on top of that, the headphones are very easy to use and operate. So on the one side of the headphones, on the right side, this is where you have the power button that is also the button you press to sync via Bluetooth to whatever device you're trying to sync it to. You also use this button to turn on and off the noise cancellation feature. And then on the left ear, you have a multi-button press function where you can control answering phone calls. You can control your music. You can turn the volume up, turn the volume down, skip your songs forward, skip your song back. Everything you can control on the side of the left ear. And I just am very impressed. These headphones also just look amazing. I'm so happy I got the deep brown color. Also, too, just the fact that it comes with a carrying case with all the charging cables and auxiliary cord that you would need for these headphones. I'm very pleased. I like that you can collapse these down to a small size. That way it makes them very portable. So I do plan on using these headphones for a couple of months, and then I want to make a second video after having some time under my belt with these headphones, just to give you a more in-depth review of how these things are holding up after some time. But so far, very impressed with the Beats Studio Pro headphones. If you're looking for an over-the-ear headphones, I highly recommend these. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.